fly away with that. This next one is hammer curls. Work our bicep, get that nice little rock right there. What's up guys? Back to you again with another full body workout. We're gonna get to it, work all the muscle groups in our body, shred it all up. We're about to build this muscle and shred the fat. Like I said, summertime getting close, and you know you want to look good in your clothing. So we're about to get this routine going. It's going to be nice, quick, not too easy, but not too hard. Get a weight you can handle. Don't allow your ego to take over. Just get something you can handle, because it's all about the intensity. And remember, take your time. Don't worry about your speed. Just get your form together. As you see when I work out, at times I try to have my form together. But you know, sometimes that weight get a little bit heavy, and that's okay. We're just gonna keep working on our form, because the more perfect our form is, the more perfect our bodies will develop. So that's the main thing with this workout. Take your time, get the weight you can handle, and we're about to get this started. But before we get this started, why don't you hit that subscribe button and like the video? Because I'm about to give you a nice workout that you can do, and then go have fun with your life for the rest of the day. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So this first exercise is going to be push-ups. We're just going to warm up and activate the chest, the nay-nay, our madness. Let's get it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good first workout. Now this next workout is about to be goblet squats. So we're gonna work our legs and our core. Get your legs a little more to shoulder length apart. Let's get into it. Good work, guys. Next exercise is gonna be chair sit-ups with the dumbbell. Try to keep your legs up. You might rock, but just try to keep the rocking down some. And try to reach up to the sky. Let's go. Challenger. 5 seconds. Woo! Last one. Woo! Yeah, now that was a killer. Now this next one's gonna work our whole body. It's a perfect full body workout. We're going into thrusters. Let's get it. All right, guys, for this next workout, it's gonna be deadlifts. We're gonna work all our hamstrings with this workout. So just take your time, grab your dumbbells, and let's just get into it. Three, two, one. Alright. Alright, guys. So this next exercise is going to be dumbbell crossovers. Get your weight. Let's get into it. Two. Last one. Alright, my body feeling it. That was a heck of a workout on that one. Okay, so this next one right here is lunges, more of our legs. More of the legs. Get into it. Let's go. Seconds left. 5. That's some good work, guys. Okay, my legs is burning. So now this next one is rear delt flies. We're just gonna work our backs, get our traps and all that good stuff back there going. So get that weight ready and let's get into it. Let's go. Remember, take your time. 5. Fly away with that. This next one is hammer curls. Work our bicep, get that nice little rock right there. So let's go. Try not to rock with it, but whatever, get the weight up. Let's go. Feel it? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. This next workout is overhead tricep extension. And once we're done with this, that's a complete full body workout. So let's get your weight. Let's get into it. 10 seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Good work, guys. Another full body workout in the books. We did that together. That's how we're gonna keep doing this. Together. We're gonna build our bodies. Together. We're gonna upgrade our lives. Together. Because we all in this together. That's good work. We're just gonna stay consistent. You know, summertime gonna pop up like that. So each day, whether you got 10 minutes, 20, 30, 45, 50, it don't matter. This is why I do these 10-minute workouts. So depending on your schedule, you can slide it in. That way you can just reach your goals. Don't worry about how much time, don't worry about form, don't worry about nothing that don't go your way. Only worry about what you can control. And as long as you give your effort every day, whether it's 10 minutes or an hour, you're gonna reach your fitness goals. You're gonna get there. We're just gonna stay at it together. One thing I'm gonna need you to do, hit that subscribe, like bam! Hit that like button hard. I'm talking about make the phone fall out your hand. But yeah, another workout. I'm gonna be back at you with another one. The next workout, we're probably gonna do some floor exercise. We gotta do that floor work. We gotta get down there because that floor work gonna really cut up in this. It's gonna really build your core. You know what I'm saying? We wanna build the core. We wanna shred the fat, but we wanna also build that core muscle. Then we wanna build the muscle all around our body. So we wanna operate as athletes. That's how we wanna train. That way you can be strong all year round, very aesthetic, looking strong and swole, and able to move. And that's what we like to do. So I definitely appreciate you guys for working out with me. Good stuff, guys. And I'll be back at you again with another one. So another one in the books. Rock with your boy. That's right.